So hey guys, it's 4 a.m. in the morning, but I'm still making this video right now. I don't know why. My life is fucked. Anyways, guys, in this video I'll show you how we can increase the resolution of our Quest 3. It works on 2. I've not tested it. I do not have the Quest 2. It should work though. Increase resolution, it basically means it will look a lot clearer. It will be very sharp. You will get more details. You might have to lower the FPS sometimes, but I think 90 FPS is fine. I usually go with 90 Hz. Hopefully you guys already downloaded the Rookie app that I showed. If you do not have this app, then go back to my tutorial. I'll give a link so you can follow that and come back to this video. So one thing that I wanted to clear up is that no, Rookie does not have Trojan or any virus from what I know. All the links that I give are not my own uploaded links. These are the links from the direct source. So if the source is giving you virus, then good luck, but they are not. They are not, okay? So you have to believe in piracy. You have to put in some trust on these guys. It's on you if you want to download cracked game or pay $60 for it. Again, if you don't like my videos or videos like this, just do not click on it and just skip next time. Okay, so hopefully you have the app now. So what you have to do is just open the Rookie app, and if you have SideQuest installed, then just plug in your Quest 3 to your PC through a USB-C port. It is connected now. So it is not showing right now. Let me just refresh it. Okay, it's here now. So what we have to do is just search for an app. Just type Quest. We have to install this app for our Quest 3 device. It's called QuestGameOptimizer, and this is the cracked version, by the way. And to be honest, I think you guys should support the developer. He has done an amazing job with this app because it does work. And I think this is a must buy app for any Quest user. If I have enough money in future, I will buy this. So if you have money, just buy it. It's worth it. If you don't have money, then I think just follow the tutorial. So just double click on it. It's gonna install it. It's gonna download the app, and now it's installing. It's a very small app. As you can see, it's like 18 MB. Success. Okay. It's going to be a very short video. We'll just switch to our Quest now. Let me get the remote. Okay guys, welcome to the Quest now. I like this background a lot. It looks beautiful. Anyways, we'll just go to your app library. You will see a new app installed in the unknown sources here. So just open the app now. So it's gonna show you this allow wireless debugging on this network. Just click on always allow on this network. Okay, so it says email is ready to paste. If you feel like whatever, the email is already ready to paste. Just type this email. Bro, I had no clue. Just type in the email. Just click on confirm. We have already done this, hopefully. Just click on continue. Okay, so we are in the, just go back. No, we don't have to update it. Okay, so as you can see, the ADB is colored red. For the app to work, it should be green. So for that, we have to go back to our PC. Connect your headset again with your wireless, with your wired. It says enable wireless mode. You should be connected with a USB to enable it. Click on connect. It says attempting. So okay, so if you click here, select device, it should show up as two different devices. are basically two sources for the same device. So now if I disconnect my Quest, it is still connected, but it's wireless now. This is what we wanted. So we should go back to our Quest and hopefully the app works now. We should be recording now. Something happened. The recording stopped after I finished on PC. So I showed you everything. I'll do it again. So okay, we open the Quest app now, this Optimizer app now. The ADP should be green if you guys followed what I did on my PC. For example, I'm just going to show you the home app right now. We click on edit, click on HD plus, and just click on the image, you see. And yes, it does work with pirated apps. I only have one app that I bought. So okay, hopefully you guys can see the difference now. Okay, as you can see, this thing will pop up when you start a game, so that you know the app is working. You guys can feel the difference right now. If you can't, that's fine. I will show you in a game. Is the recording work? Yeah, it is recording. Okay, I'm paranoid now. I'm just gonna turn on Beat Saber. So thank you guys so much for watching. If it worked for you, just please comment and let the people know that it does work, so that they are not skeptical. But if you don't comment, that's fine too. So again, thank you guys so much.